we forgot yesterday. We didn't. You didn't tell us what you learned in church in Sunday school when we are coming back. So today you are going to tell me what you learned. I'll start with Miss S.
I learned a lot of Zacchaeus.
You learned about what?
Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus, okay. What about Zacchaeus?
He was a tax collector.
Uh-huh.
And he stole money from people and when he stole money from people didn't even like him. And then he wanted to see Jesus, but he couldn't see because he could only see people's head and there was a crowd. And then he went to climb up a tree and he peeked, but people thought he was weird. And then Jesus saw him and he said, "Zacchaeus, get down. I wanna visit your house." And they left go for their house. And the people were peeking a bit, and they were wondering why Jesus wanted to get in Zacchaeus' house. And when Jesus was in the house, Jesus even noticed what Zacchaeus was doing, but he still loved him. And then he said, I'm going, instead of stealing people's money now, I'm going to give the money to the poor and to the ones that need. And then people were surprised, and he did it, and then he became a good man.
Wow. Okay, so they changed my load. I was gonna go do a delivery, but they have a pickup that has an appointment that they want me to do, so they changed my loads around. I need to see though if I can find an empty. I don't remember, did this thing have, if I try even to open, I need to see if it has a red tag, because most of these had red tags. I thought this one didn't have, but it's loaded. So I want to see if this one has a red tag. It has no red tag. This one has no red tag. Okay, all these don't have red tags, but I don't like the way they look. This looks really nice. So if this one doesn't have a red tag and it's good to go, I'd rather take this one. So let's see. Nice, empty. Looks good up. All right, this one looks really new. So if it has no red tag, we will be good to go. Is this good right here? No red tag. Okay, so I got me myself an empty right here. I want to move this all the way to the back, or to the front, not to the back. All right, Miss T, tell us what you learned yesterday.
I learned about Esther, and the story was that Esther was adopted by Mordecai. Yeah, Mordecai. Soon, there was somebody, and his name was, I forgot his name.
Okay.
But he was not nice because he wanted to kill all the Jews because.
Was his name Haman?
Yeah, Haman.
Okay.
He wanted to kill all the Jews because Mordecai didn't bow to him when he passed to the palace, and And then, so, what happened was, he wore ashy, his hair was dirty, and he didn't wear, like, Mordecai didn't wear something like what he used to wear. It was just dirty, and Esther asked one of his servants to ask him what happened. And so Mordecai said because all of us, the Jews and us, are all sad because Haman wants to kill all the Jews, and then so Mordecai said, tell Esther has to tell the king. And then Esther said, okay, you my servant and Mordecai fast for 3 days without drinking or eating. I will do the same, and praise the Lord, and I will go talk to the king. So Esther said if she lays the thing out, then she will live. If she doesn't, then she will die. And she said if she will die, she must die. So the next day she went to go tell the king, and then the king handed out the thing, and then the king said, "What, Esther, what do you want? Even half of the kingdom?" And Esther said, I want to have a feast with Haman and you and me in the night. And then they prepared the feast. And then the king said, what else do you want? And then Esther said, so me and my people, someone wants to kill me and my people, and I couldn't even lift out my tongue. And then the king said, who is he? Who would dare do that? And Queen Esther said, it's Haman. And the ones of them said, look, somebody is making a big pole. Haman made a big pole for Mordecai that's 7 feet tall. And then the king said, hang him on it. But still, after he got Haman got killed, then the law was still there on March the 7th to kill all the Jews. And so they decided to do another law to say that the Jews can defend themselves. And they killed so many of their enemies. And then they had a party.
There is a lie. I just figured, I was waiting for the other guys to move. They were not moving, so I figured since Walmart passed them, I'll just walk to this office and see if I can check in. And sure enough, I did check in. So I don't know if those guys, their loads are not yet ready, but at least they've given me a door. I'm gonna get in that. I did leave myself some gap here, but I don't know if I can be able to clear it, because that's the challenge I think the Walmart driver had to. So the other guy behind me, I left enough space, so I may be able to clear it. We'll see. On second thoughts, it's not really so much of a gap that I have, but we are gonna try and see if I can make it work. It's kind of tight, but let's see if I can make it work. The trick is to be slow, and the trick is to watch your trailer. Never ever, of course I'm talking to new drivers, never forget your mirrors, people. Okay, I made it work. So I'm going in door one, which will be, I think, door one looks like it has a trailer. I don't know if it has or not. This is going to be kind of tricky because of, where is this? This is for, where's door one? Oh, door one. Okay, this is kind of tricky because of this. That's where I'm going, door one. Because this is I'm blind sighting, and as you can see, there's a lot of trailers. So this one is so tricky. It's so tricky. I'm gonna have to take off my glasses because my hat, because when it comes to tricky, I need all the attention I can get. You see this trailer right here? Again, the trick is to be as slow as possible. I don't know if you guys can see all this stuff that I have to deal with. The good thing is I'm driving a day cab, so I get to use this place here, the back, to see what's happening. So that helps. Because you would hate to be given this door and you have, what do they call it? You have a sleeper truck. just have to straighten it up and I'm good. Done here. The time is 5:02. I don't remember what time I got here, but it hasn't really been long. I'm now heading to Wiley. That's where I'm gonna drop off this load. Looks like we are not busy. The weekend hasn't been a busy one except for yesterday, because from Wiley they don't have anything coming out of there, so they just gonna have me bring back a chassis to BNSF. So I don't know what they have. I don't know if they have anything from BNSF. It may be an early night. Sometimes depending, maybe the train may come in and then it may pick up and I may be busy the last hours of that day. So we'll see.
A husband, father, Christian and truck driver, telling you my story and the world through my eyes. So keep the faith, let's keep it fresh. And this is driver success. Yeah, let's go.